How to download Airbnb on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open Play Store. Then you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Tap on Search. And here you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it, then type in Airbnb. Then you'll see an app with 100 million plus downloads. Tap on the install button. Then after verifying that it is you, it will start installing on your Android device. So it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.